Assalamu alaikum, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial we will learn how to add WBS. WBS stands for work breakdown structure. If you are not familiar with the theory related to project management, then please watch our previous tutorials so that you can study all the aspects of project management in detail, and after that you will be able to create a project on Primavera P6. So work breakdown structure are actually small chunks of our complete project according to the nature of work and type of work. So we will create WBS for our project, and for that we will go to project and WBS. So I will press plus and create our new WBS and enter its name, and I will change its view, and I will add the code of WBS as Civil Engineering Works and CV or CW. Dairy farm consists of building and machinery, labor. So we need to construct our building first. So the building construction is related to civil engineering. So I created a WBS of Civil Engineering Works, and WBS name will be Civil Engineering Work, or it can be a construction work. So I have added this WBS, and if I want to add another WBS of mechanical engineering work related to our this project, then I will select this dairy farm project and again press add, and I will add mechanical engineering works as MW, and name will be mechanical engineering works. After that I will add another WBS, and it will be electrical engineering works, and its code will be EW, or you can enter any numerical value before this EW. So I have only entered EW, and our WBS name will be electrical engineering works. So I have entered electrical engineering works. Next I will add a WBS of our machinery procurement, and I will enter a code PR, and after that I will enter WBS name procurement, and then I will again press add, and sorry, I will delete this WBS, and add another WBS, and its name will be finishing work. So I have entered FW in place of WBS code, and WBS name will be finishing work. Now I will go to project, and WBS, I have entered all the WBSs of this project, and if I want to add a work under this WBS, for example in procurement, I will create subdivision of procurement. For this I will select this procurement, and I will press plus, and the procurement of motors or pumps, and in this WBS I will enter pump procurements. And again under procurement we will enter procurement of all the machinery related to dairy farm. So I will enter, for example, a harvester. I will enter the code HP harvester procurement, and in WBS name I will enter harvester procurement. Similarly, under civil engineering work we can create a WBS of building construction of shed. So SC shed construction, and I will enter shed construction. Similarly, you can add the subcategories of these WBSs, and if you want to shuffle these WBSs, then you can, for example, I have civil engineering works. So civil engineering work normally occurs first, so I will arrange it to first, and after civil engineering work we will start mechanical engineering work. So I will arrange mechanical engineering work after civil engineering work, and after civil engineering work we will perform electrical engineering works. Oh sorry, mechanical. After mechanical we will perform electrical engineering work. So I have moved up electrical engineering work and arranged it before mechanical works. After electrical works we can arrange procurement and finishing work at after all these, because a procurement work is not a work on the site, it is just a procurement of the necessary machinery. So I will arrange finishing work after electrical work and procurement as a last work. So this was the method to create WBSs, and after creating WBSs we will enter details of these WBS. So I will go to any of WBS, for example, I have a civil engineering work. So I will right click on civil engineering work and then press WBS detail. And in WBS detail, we will see that the project, our WBS is active, planned, or what if. Active means that our work is ongoing, and inactive means that it is just a plan, or still the work is not started. And planned means that we have planned this WBS. Actually, the first WBS is active, and the next will be planned. So we will select active there, and its responsible manager will be project manager, and anticipated it will be the time of the completion of our first project. And oh sorry, first WBS. So our WBS will start from 22nd of June, and it will end on 4th of July. So I have selected 22 June up to 4th of July. And the next is notebook. We will enter details related to our WBSs. After that, we will enter the budget of our WBS. And next will be the spending plans, budget summary, WBS milestones, that how much of WBS is completed. After that, there will be WBS documents. Documents include the details of our labor or staff, and it can be the reports of working, and the design of our building or shed we are going to complete, and all the documentation related to our project. And this all documentation will come under WBS and WPS and documents. And the next is earned value, and it is a calculation related to our project. So we will discuss these terminologies later. And if you are new on our channel, then please subscribe our channel so that you can receive notification regarding our incoming tutorials. Thanks for watching.